Welcome back to my channel, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cruising with Goldy. So, guys, I am at the open deck. You can see this is called open deck on Cordilla Cruises. This deck is on 6th floor. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my camera and take a round, and I'm going to tell you what all things you can see at the open deck. And believe me, guys, it's very pleasant. So without wasting time, let's start this video. Well guys, let me take you on the tour of this open deck. Partially open deck, I would say. You can see normally we have an open deck is on the top. This is a partially, you have a loveliest view of the ocean, and you'll find so many stuff on this deck. I just see it with me. You can see right hand side, so many chairs are there. The chairs are laid like this, so you can just sit on that or lay down and watch the loveliest view of the ocean. Huge live boats, you can see, like there are so many. According to the size of the cruise ship, the number of a passenger, they'll have that much live boats. You can see dustbin. Make sure every garbage goes inside this, not in the ocean. You can see that housekeeping guy cleaning. Time clock, and these are the Lifebuoy capsules, small capsules. Alright, let's see the other side. It will be similar to like this. Okay, now we are on the back of the cruise ship. Now we are going front of the cruise ship, and this side will also have the same amount of things which we see on the right hand side. So beautiful. Just walk with me. Nothing to think about your future, your past. Just enjoy this beautiful cruise ship and this lovely deck. And just imagine you are here sitting with your loved ones and enjoying the ocean and enjoying all the other stuff which you can see. See, I was talking about the people lay down, so you can see that this is how the people lay down and relax and just do nothing. You can see some children also. Make sure the children's not at the railing side, always on the door side. So we are going front of the cruise ship right now. So slowly we are going, and I'll show you how the front of a cruise ship look like from this open deck. This is how the front of a cruise ship look like. There is a chair also, we can also sit. So next time whenever you go on a cruise ship, always visit this deck. It's very pleasant, believe me. So I'll keep making such videos and informing about cruise ship and cruise ship life. All I want you to do is please share my videos, please watch my videos, so I get motivated more to make more beautiful videos. Thank you.